Installing and setting up the Tengai plugin for Zerolime is easy. Note, you'll already need to be using our service before you can continue. Contact Zerolime, and they'll send you an installation link. No code needed. Log in, then click here to view your assignments. Clicking on selection, we see the plugin has been installed as our Tengai status icon is visible. Gray means they've received a booking link, but not booked. Purple means booked an interview. Finally, green, meaning booked and interviewed with Tengai. To the right we see a bar that shows the PI score. The middle of this grid is the BI, and bottom the TPI.
Candidates who you're interested in can be further scored by reviewing them in Tengai Recruit. Score their behavior under 4 different categories.
Back in Zerolime, you'll get a final combined score. When you're done scoring, move the ideal candidate to appointed. That's how easy it is to install and use the Tengai plugin for Zerolime. Catch the perfect candidate every single time.